Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can pair JBL Reflect Flow with your Android smartphone. First of all, open charging case. Take both earbuds from this case. Take a look on the indicators. After a few moments, one of them will start blinking red and blue, and it means that they will be in the pairing mode. As you can see, the right one is blinking. So we have to put them close to our Android phone. We have to open the Bluetooth settings, then click to pair new device. You can also open the Bluetooth settings on your phone by using the system settings. Then select your JBL Reflect Flow and accept this pairing request. And as you can see, that's how you can pair them with your phone. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.